about the new products that you have that might be of interest to WorkBoat operators.
Sure. Well, what we're looking at here on the display, we have our M series camera and our new MD series camera. So where thermal imaging was previously, tens of thousands of dollars, we have the same image now in a package that costs less than $3,500.
That's great. And this is new this year?
This is new this year. We just released this product, and I think it's going to be significant interest to workboaters because price is very sensitive in that market. They're looking for a product that can do exactly what they want it to do, but they don't want to spend a whole bunch of money for it. And I think this is the product that's really going to help out there.
And you also exhibited the WorkBoat show, so tell us a little bit about your outlook on that market and on the economy in general.
Sure. We've actually been very successful in the workboat market because, the name of the game is safety. We do a whole lot with safety, whether it's keeping your crew safe or making sure you don't run into something at night. Those are the kind of things that we do really well. So we've done a lot in the workboat market, been very successful in the workboat market, and that show's been really good for us over the past couple of years.
General outlook?
If the attendance here at this show is any indicator of the economy, I'd definitely say it's turning around.
Well, we have the new Intellian Fleet broadband product. It's a range of 3 antennas that are designed to use the Inmarsat global communication system. The great advantage with these is that they are compact, they provide global coverage, and of particular importance is the capability of using fax, internet and telephone to make voice, data or fax calls. So a complete range of products designed primarily for the workboat fishing markets around the world.
What's your outlook in general for the U.S. workboat?
It's been very strong for Intellian because of the growth of communication requirements. Broadband data has really been a driving force. So Intellian has grown a lot with the workboat and commercial markets because of the need for ever increasing amounts of data. So it's a really strong market for Intellian now.
What's your outlook in general?
It's been interesting because the commercial markets for us have been pretty stable. There's not been too much reduction in business, and it's primarily the growth of data that's driving it. People need to stay connected, they need to have access to online support, online data services, vessel tracking. All these things are driving the business very well for us. So we're very pleased, and we see very strong growth over the next few years in commercial markets.
Granted, this is a recreational show, but there's a lot of crossover going into the commercial and workboat market. Our new NavNet TZ Touch system is a good example of that, where we're integrating radar and chart plotting with the latest processor technology, where we're doing full multi-touch type operation, making it very simple for the operators to walk up to these devices and very simply start using them. We're integrating our radar, our chart plotter, very important AIS information, which is critical to navigating these days. So there's a lot of capabilities in this system that we are delivering to our customers. And we have a couple of different type of displays, 9-inch, 14-inch, but we've introduced here at the show a new black box, which might be interested to the workboat market because it allows the workboat customer to buy the processor and then put any type of monitor they want, maybe a monitor they already have in use on board, and then customize the installation to how they want to use it. We also have BNWAS, which is the Bridge Navigation Watch Alarm System, which is very critical. It's a requirement coming up this year for many commercial vessels, and that system is in operation as well. We've been recently been awarded a contract with Tidewater Marine, for instance, who's outfitting their fleet with our BNWAS system, and that's something that's going to be ramping up because July of this year is a critical time frame for the implementation of BNWAS. Yes, absolutely.
Tell us a little bit also what your outlook is on the U.S. workboat.
We're pretty confident that the workboat market is looking a little bright for us these days. Our trends that we're seeing now, we have a lot of activity in the oil services market, for instance, with a lot of customers not only outfitting things that are requirement-based like BNWAS, but also a lot of radar and charting retrofit projects. We have and there's a fair amount of building going on with some of the workboats that we're getting involved in as well. So we're pretty confident and looking at a good outlook for the coming year, or hopefully the next few coming years.